We'll guide you through how to find Replit alternatives. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to your favorite search engine, like Google. Type in Replit Alternatives 2025 and press Enter. You'll see a list of results, but let's narrow it down to the most popular and up-to-date options. One excellent alternative is GitHub Codespaces, a cloud-based development environment similar to Replit, offering robust integration with GitHub repositories. You can access it by visiting github.com/features/codespaces. Next, consider using Glitch, which is great for collaborative coding and real-time updates. Visit glitch.com to explore its features. Another powerful choice is Code Sandbox, known for its simplicity and ease of use, perfect for prototyping and sharing web applications. Head over to codesandbox.io to get started. If you're looking for a tool with a focus on learning and teaching, check out Gitpod, which provides automatic dev environments. You can find it at gitpod.io. Finally, for those interested in mobile app development, Expo is a fantastic option, especially for React Native projects. Visit expo.dev to learn more about its capabilities. When choosing an alternative, consider what features are most important to you, such as collaboration tools, language support, or integration with version control systems. Each platform offers unique advantages, so take the time to explore each one and see which fits your needs best. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.